Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to mark highs and lows like a pro, and I will also share a technique that will help you improve your trading right away. It was 2015. I just got back from the conference and I was super excited to test the new highs and lows and several other techniques that I learned in the conference. So I straight away went to my bedroom, took my laptop and started using everything I learned there. So I started with the highs and lows technique, and while I was using that technique and backtesting it, my mind got stuck. My mind suddenly got flooded with a lot of questions on how to draw highs and lows. I'm not sure if the same thing has happened with you, but when we are listening to someone, or let's say when we are watching a course, everything looks so simple to us. And when we go and try the same thing, our mind gets flooded with a lot of questions and doubts. This same thing happened to me and I had questions. Like, do we need to consider the wicks or do we need to exclude the wicks? What if the correction extends? And how do we spot or observe the momentum change or know when a trend is changing? I know many of you watching this video may be facing the same issues and have the same questions. So to solve this, I created 3 easy step formula that will help you draw highs and lows like a pro. Also, in the end, I'm going to share a technique that will help you find the reversals and capitalize on them. So make sure you watch this video till the end. By the way, in my last video, I have explained what are highs and lows and how can it help you go from a beginner in crypto trading to a pro in no time. So if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you click the I button and watch that video right now. So what is this 3-step formula for drawing highs and lows? Well, these are 3 easy steps that will help you draw highs and lows no matter how complex the chart looks. You just have to follow these 3 easy steps no matter in which situation you are or what the chart is doing or whichever chart you are using. These 3 steps will help you draw it efficiently. So the first step is finding the direction of the market visually. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to look at the chart and find the direction of the market visually. Like, is the market moving up or is the market moving down? And for that, what you have to do is select whichever time frame you want and then zoom out. Observe in which direction the market is moving. Like here on Ethereum US dollars daily time frame. If we zoom out, we can see the current direction of the market is up. Now, always remember, if the market is uptrending, you have to look for higher highs and higher lows. And if the market is downtrending, then you have to look for lower lows and lower highs. So in this case, the market is moving up. So we will mark higher highs and higher lows. Now the second step is to find the lowest point from which the market started moving up. In this case, our lowest point will be over here. So mark this as lower low. Now the third step is to look for the previous lower high. In this case, our previous lower high was this. So now when the market moves above the previous lower high, we will get our first higher high. And then when the market retraces, we will get our new higher low. So this was our previous lower high and this was the final lower low. When the price moved above this previous lower high, we got a new higher high. So this will be a higher high. After this, when the price moved down and stayed above the lower low, we got a new high low. So this will be our higher low. Now keep on doing this. Look for a new higher high, which would be this, then a higher low, then again a new higher high, and then again a new higher low. Just like this, in 3 easy steps, you can mark highs and lows. Now let us take a more complex example to understand correctly. So in this example, we will again go through the 3 steps. The first step is to zoom out and find the direction of the market. So we will just do that. And here the price is moving down, so we have a downtrend. Now, as this is a downtrend, we will have to draw lower lows and lower highs. Now, as we are drawing lower lows and lower highs, the second step will be to find the highest point or the final higher high, which in our case will be this one. Now, the third step is to make the final higher low, which will be this one. So this will be our final higher high and this will be the final higher low. Now here the price moved below the previous higher low. So this would be a lower low, as this time the low is lower than the previous low. And when the price moved above, it will be the new lower high. Now when the price moves above and creates a new lower high, you will have to wait and see if the price doesn't go and create a new higher high. So the downtrend will only be confirmed when a new lower low is again formed. Now when the price goes below this low, we will get a new lower low where our downtrend will be confirmed. And when the price retraces, we will get a lower high. Now we will answer the most highly misunderstood part of highs and lows, which the majority of the traders do wrong. Majority of the traders do not include the wicks while drawing highs and lows. But do we really need to include them? Absolutely. The wicks represent the lowest and the highest price, and we always have to include it while drawing highs and lows. Like if you have observed, when we took the examples to understand the highs and lows, I always included wicks while marking it. Now before we move forward, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button. The next and the most important question is to observe the momentum change or expect a reversal, and is it reliable? This technique has helped me a lot in my trading and goes very well with every other trend writing strategy. So make sure you pay attention to this. Now, observing momentum change or spotting reversal with this technique is very easy. If the market is uptrending and creating high highs and high lows, all you have to do is wait for the market to make a lower low and a lower high. And when this happens, you can expect the market to reverse. And if the market is downtrending and creating lower lows and lower highs, then you have to wait for the market to create a higher high and a higher low. And this can confirm the momentum change and you can expect a reversal. Like it happened over here. Here the price was creating continuous lower lows and lower highs, and then finally from here it could not create any new lower lows and created a higher high and higher low instead. And then the price started moving up. Now talking about the reliability of this technique, it works best if you have mastered it. But you also need some extra confirmations to use it, because the price sometimes create a deeper retracement in form of a short trend and then continues to move in the previous direction. So if you are using this in the swing trading, it may cause a lot of problems. Like it happened over here. The price was creating a series of higher highs and higher lows and hence was uptrending. But then from here, the price could not create any new higher highs and we would have thought that the trend has changed, but it was just a deeper retracement. These types of traps are very common and you will get used to it only when you practice this over and over again or combine this technique with any other technique. So make sure you right away go and backtest this technique on the live chart, as this simple basic thing will help you a lot when you use advanced strategies. It will also be helpful for you while you place your take profit or stop loss. I hope that all your doubts related to drawing highs and lows are solved now. If not, then let me know all your doubts in the comment section below and I will be happy to help you out. Also, very soon I'm going to add a strategy that goes very well with this topic and will help you improve as a trader. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching.